Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a clown makeup, so if you want to see how this makeup looked at the end, please keep on watching. So I'm starting with her eyebrows, and I'm using the brow pomade from Inglot number 17 and the brush from Morphe.
They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Next, I'm applying this NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel to set the hair in place.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect.
Next, I'm using this NYX Hush Day concealer to carve her eyebrows, and I'm also going to use this concealer as a base for the eyeshadows.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
To set the concealer in place on the eyelids, I'm using the Micro Touch powder from Boysenberries in the shade Ivory.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Next, I'm taking the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, the original palette, and I'm taking the second shade from the palette to illuminate the brown part. So from Morphe, for the second collaboration with Jaclyn Hill from the Vogue collection, I'm taking the palette Bling Boss and the shade, I think it's called Hustle or something like that, the second shade, the transition shade, and I'm using that shade in the crease, as I said, as my transition shade. Next, I am taking that reddish dark color and mixing it with the transition shade and applying this color also in the crease, but much lower than the transition shade. So I'm picking the transition shade that I used first time to clean the edges and to have a very nice blended crease. From the same palette, I'm mixing the shade that I use in the crease with the darker red brown color and intensifying the outer V area. always switch brushes to have a very clean blending. Next, from the Jacqueline Felix Morphe palette, the first palette, I'm taking the black color and intensify more the outer V, but also I'm switching brushes to blend the edges of the black. From the Kat Von D palette, the 10th anniversary palette, I'm taking the very white shade and applying like a base to have a very nice transition between the lid and the outer V. With this eyeliner, the tattoo liner for Kat Von D, I am drawing a simple line to have a base where I'm going to put some falsies. So the lash band from the falsies is not going to show up very obvious. I put the false lashes off camera and now it's time to prime, and I'm using a pore minimizing primer from Maybelline New York, and I'm applying it with a beauty blender from Boysenberries. She had a very dry under eyes, and I'm using this cream to hydrate that area. Next it's foundation, and I'm going to use this one from Physicians Formula, which smells very good, and the shade I'm using is medium beige. It's time to cover up those dark circles, and I'm using this concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C2. to set the under eye, I'm using the boysenberries powder, the micro touch powder. Also, I'm going to set the rest of the face using the same powder. To contour, I'm going to use a duo kit from Slick in the shade medium. For blush, I'm going to use this one from Makeup Revolution. It's called the Freedom palette and it has 8 shades of blushes, and I'm going to use the one from the right. As a highlighter, of course, my favorite palette, also from Makeup Revolution, and I'm mixing the first shade from above and the second shade from above it, and it's gorgeous.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? And now, I lose my own. It's like my love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Hey, baby, you are no more than a dream.
For the under eye area, I'm taking the shade Chat from the palette of Kat Von D, the 10th anniversary palette, and blending this color halfway to the under eye.
Could be more. Hey you, honest. Yeah, it's true. You're all I want. You're all I want. I lose my own sight. It's out of my mind.
For the inner part, I'm going to use this shade from the Jacqueline Helix Morphe palette, the first collaboration. It's a very beautiful turquoise color, and I'm applying it by spraying some Fix Plus on the brush.
You are no more than a dream. Hey you, want it. Hey you, we could be more. Hey you, honest. Yeah, it's true. You're all I want.
In the end, apply some Fix Plus all over the face to set the makeup in place. For the lips, I'm mixing this shade from Sleek called Body Wish and the one from Colourpop called Alicia Key 18, I think. But first I'm lining her lips using a pencil from a no-name brand called Trend It Up.
You are no more than a dream.
almost done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. But before you leave, I also want to thank you all that watch my videos, and I'm very grateful. And don't forget that you find me on Instagram, where I'm posting daily. A lot of kisses. Bye.
And now, you know, I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you are not more than a dream. So wait, yeah, wait, can you even hold me? Hey, oh, hey. There you are, not more than a